As the winters are setting in, we are going to feel extremely dry inside out. A lot of dandruff, anxiousness, depression, and even loneliness, all because of the untamed vata. And what if I told you all of these can be managed with the help of love? Wondering what am I talking about? Well, it is this unique concept mentioned in Ayurveda, which is called sneha, to balance your vata. It's not just about snuggling under a blanket or sipping in a cup of hot chai or hot chocolate. It goes much more beyond that. And that's exactly what Ayurveda has explained in detail in Hemanta Ritucharya and Shishira Ritucharya, wherein it speaks about a lot of emotional remedies as well as home remedies so as to balance your vata imbalance. Do you know why is it called sneha? Ayurvedically understood, it stands for binding. Now we know the feeling of love is quite binding. It gives you a sense of oneness. This actually helps in tackling the vata. Interestingly, the internal and external fats that we utilize also helps in binding the cells together. So these are the two things that actually helps us in balancing the vata during winters. Let us figure out about these two in detail. The first one, the emotional way of tackling the vata. Ayurveda recommends one should not just be getting into hugs, you should go for a tighter hug, hand holding, cuddling, snuggling, and being together. Because this helps in the release of happy hormones, dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. With the release of these happy hormones, your anxiety, low mood, depression, and loneliness gets tackled. Ayurvedically understood, your mood is elevated, your manas feels all the more nourished, and thereby your vata imbalance at the level of your emotions, cognitive ability, speech, etc. gets tackled. Now coming to the second one, the ways to physically manage the dryness, roughness, lightness, or rather airiness that you experience within. For this, you can go for external remedies as well as internal remedies. The external remedies would be Abhyanga, as you may all know about. You can opt for sesame oil or mustard oil. Both of these are amazing for providing you that heat. The second one would be Padabhyanga, which is nice foot massage at bedtime. This helps in calming down your 2 lakh neuronal endings on your feet. Not just that, it also takes care of your mood, sleep, brain functioning, and even your eye health. The third one is Vimardana. Vimardana stands for nice, tough massage. This is a season where you should be actually going for a lot of deep tissue massage. And the fourth one would be applying oil on your crown, which is on top of your head. And that is called Murda Taila application. If you have noticed, Diwali is considered as the onset of early winters. And that is exactly the reason why we get into the habit of applying oil on the day of Diwali. So starting from there on, you should be applying hair oil not just once a week, ideally at least daily, if not at least on alternate days. Now coming to the internal remedies, you can consume all the foods that brings you a feeling of love or loved. Starting from hot chocolate, turmeric milk, hot cup of chai, these are the 3 to begin with. If you go to the next level, start adding more of nuts and seeds into your diet because all of these are heating, which means ideally you should not be consuming them during monsoons and summers much. Now if you have to take it to the next level, then you can consume a teaspoon of sesame oil in the morning, which helps in not just tackling your vata, but also aids with weight loss. You can also start introducing other forms of fat like ghee, butter, olive oil, avocado, meat for the non-vegetarians. So this is a way you actually take care of the dryness within and not by introducing all the more drying foods like green leafy vegetables, a whole lot of lentils, sprouts, and raw salads. Chuck out these from your daily regimen for the winters. Instead, start introducing more of soups with the right amount of condiments and fat, more of meat or fat-rich food. Now, all of these are going to help you take care of your vata imbalance quite well. If you have got any more doubts, you can put it in the comments and I'll get back to you.